Today we have inaugurated two bedded dialysis unit here. With two dialysis machines, we can take 8 patients for regular dialysis. Patients obviously are going to require it 3 times in a week. So most of the dialysis patients need treatment 3 times in a week. So currently with 2 machines, we can take around 8 to maximum 10 patients for regular dialysis. Dialysis is a treatment where patient has to go to the center 3 times in a week. So a center opening here in Carmona is definitely going to help many patients who are on dialysis staying in and around Carmona in Varka, who have to travel otherwise to Margao or other places. They can definitely come here and avail the same treatment which is available in other places. The center here is managed by Apex Kidney Center, which has dialysis centers all across Goa in all the district hospitals, sub-district hospitals.
Okay, Captain.
The same
Congratulations and all the best.
the same advanced machines, well-trained technicians, resident doctors. So everything what is done in bigger centers we are going to do. So patients will definitely get that same amount of benefit and treatment which they will get in other bigger centers. So this is definitely going to be a very useful center. Congratulations to all the team who has come forward to start this center, especially Captain Vegas. His efforts definitely have been there since last 1 year, and we can see the benefit coming in the near future. So from tomorrow it is definitely going to be functional, and it is ready. We can take patients for dialysis.
It will be put in action. 4 patients every day will be taken up over here, and we will see how it goes. And any kind of more inputs which are needed, we will be supporting.
कितले इम्पोर्टंट असले हांगासर
लोकांक पयस वचून पडटा डायलिसीस फेसिलिटीक लागून. आतां बोगलेचो हें बोगलेक आसा जाल्यार लोक हांगा येवन ती फेसिलिटी घेतलो.
Vardha Mahalil Shinde, and I'm actually a dialysis physician at Naviri Health Center. So now I'm going to be coming on visits at sub-center Carmona to see after the dialysis patients in the dialysis unit over here. We have 2 bedded dialysis units, and this is the hemodialysis machine. So we are going to be having 2 shifts as of now. So we can treat 4 patients in a day. So this is the machine and this is the bed. The bed is adjustable to the patient, and we are going to have hemodialysis on this bed. And this is the machine. We have a RO plant backside, so everything is connected, and we can successfully treat 4 patients in a day.
Come through, I would like to thank the Honorable Health Minister Shwajit Rane, the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, and the entire team. Finally, Assembly जायत पाट आमी रिक्वेस्ट गायली की एक डायलिसिस यूनिट आमकां जाय म्हूण हिंगा लोकां जायत त्रास पडटाय, नंबरूय मेळना. सो आफ्टर लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स कंसिस्टंट हें अप्रुवल मेळ्ळें, आनी वी हॅव ऑलरेडी नाव इनॉग्रेटेड इट टुडे. फालसून डायलिसीस कमी जातले. ऑलमोस्ट 4 to 6 पेशंट्स आर ऑलरेडी कन्फर्म. सो इट इज अ फर्स्ट स्टेप फॉर बिल्डिंग अप दी हेल्थ इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. आनी म्हाका सदां आनी असल्योच फॅसिलिटीज प्रत्येक गांवांत जावपा जाय. 2 बेड जोरी तरी प्रत्येक जोरी तरी एक एमर्जन्सी केअर सेंटर विथ मल्टिपल डॉक्टर्स कमिंग अप, जावं तो डेंटिस्ट जावं गायनेक जावं कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट जावं प्रत्येक एक सब हेल्थ सेंटरां जोरी तरी एक वर या 2 वरां एक विजीट जोरी तरी जाता, सोमना एक पाटी या इवन म्हयन्या एक पाटी. I think this is going to boost, and that will be a major boost up for the entire health network. We will closely work with the health minister. He has done a very good job where GMC is concerned. आम चोयलां की हरें GMC काम बरें आहा आनी फॅसिलिटीजूय बरी आहाय. तेच भाशेन साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल हॅज बीन निग्लेक्टेड. वी हॅव ऑलरेडी इन द असेंब्ली प्रत्येक टायम आमी ऑलरेडी ताका सांगलो आहा. वी हॅव टोल्ड हिम टू इम्प्रुवायज इट, बिकॉज जरी तरी ताका GMC स्टँडर्ड वयर काडपा जाता जाल्यार साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्टाचो स्टँडर्ड विश्वजीत राणे कडेन काडपा जाता. So only the thing, his intention, his interest has to be aligned towards that, and we as a opposition, आमगे काम कितें, आमगे काम जें सारकें जायना, जे लोकां फाव जावपा जाय ती कामां आमी असेंब्ली मांडपा जाय. क्रिटिक्स घालपाकूच जाय, आनी क्रिटिक्स घायनासतना लोकां जी सेवा ती मेळपा ना. सो इट इज नथींग पर्सनल वेन वी आर डुईंग इट इन द असेंब्ली. इट इज ऑल अबाउट पब्लीक सर्विसीस.